Hi, I'm Kevin with Genesis Rescue Systems, and we're here with our friends from Chicago's Bravest Stories podcast to present a 12-part video training series on real-world practical applications for passenger vehicle extrication.
Engine 1, Engine 4, Truck 2, Truck 10, Ambulance 82, Battalion 2, Fire 1020 North Main, help is on the way.
Oh, hey, Corey.
Hey!
Can you just step on sign of refusal of services, please?
Thanks, Kev.
So for this week's edition, we're going to cover the removal of a sliding door on a minivan. There's so many different minivans on the road, but for the most part, they open up in one general principle. They come off the latch, there could be 1 to 2 nadir points, but they pop out and then they slide backwards on the exterior track. So oftentimes rescuers struggle with this because they try to employ your traditional door pop techniques on a door that doesn't operate the same way. So I'm going to take you through a series of steps, which in this case would include a window crush down because we don't have any damage to start with. Once we get that door to flare away, we can cut the top track, the lower track, make our secondary point of entrance for their purchase point, and then we'll make a third cut towards the rear and then remove the door that way. So in this case, we were able to use the spreader to pull the lower and the upper track right from the exterior of the vehicle. There's a first stage nadir, and then there's a secondary one towards the rear. But we did not even have to cut the track itself. It pulled out the actual wheel assembly from the track guide. This episode of Back to Basics Training Tips has been brought to you by Genesis Rescue Systems and Chicago's Bravest Stories podcast. Thank you for your support. We'll see you soon.